I think I was not audible because I had put my microphone on mute due to break. I think now I'm audible. Hello. Hello. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, everyone. Okay, thank you so much. As of now, we have discussed about the various impact that have been led by COVID-19 outbreak, coronavirus on our life, on our education system, and how we are dealing with all these things all together as a teacher. What were the problems we faced, and we are trying to find out solutions, we all, I think. And as of now, we are still finding ways. During this course and during this program, we will introduce you some of the ways, some of the tools to create creative content and effective classroom for your institute, for your students. And I was also talking about and introduced a new term to many of you, that is open source. I would like to talk about this term in more detail with the help of Surender sir. So for this, I would like to invite Surender sir so that he can give us more idea about open source, because he is already using these technologies in many of the institutes. He is saving lakhs of rupees, lakhs of and saving institutes by using these technologies, I would say. I'm audible to everyone. Yeah, I can see my microphone is unmute. Good afternoon. Okay. So I was talking about open source technologies, and Mr. Surinder Singh is one of the technocrat we have, and we will uh, invite him to talk about more about open source technologies. We are a team of technocrats, and we always first give preference to have a session, to have a talk on these technologies, because when we get a chance to get interaction and get talk with teachers around the society, around the workshops, we always try to introduce these technologies, because you are the people those are going to discuss with your institute. You are going to introduce these things to your institutes and your places. So without no more delay, I would invite Mr. Surinder Singh for to talk and have a more discussion on open source technologies.
Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Uh, thank you, Ms. Poonam, to introduce me. First of all, I would like to thanks to all of you to become so responsible, and I'm very much glad to see that the participants are so much sincere and everyone is following the web conferencing rules. Moreover, I wish you people stay safe and uh, do enhance your knowledge in the same manner. So, guys, I'm the I'm from the technology world, and this time you people are also going beyond your boundaries because every day you people are learning lot of things. Whenever I go for conferences and meetings earlier in the face-to-face conferences and meetings, then teachers, especially teachers, shows their apprehensive to do some work with the computer and mobiles. And particularly when we come to the uh, our topic or come to the our study material, they just limited their self up to their own work. They never break their boundaries. But right now, I'm seeing everyone is learning new things every day. In the last 1 or 2 months, in the last 1 2 months, I have seen many Hello, hello. Am I audible? Okay. Again, people are joining us. Myself, Surinder Singh. Surinder Singh. I am from the technology world. Thank you very much to join such a practical and I say 100%. We will learn a lot of new things here also. And I was discussing about that. People are learning a lot since last 2 months. They are using the Udemy, EDX, as well as Coursera and lot of other platforms. So this time, everyone is breaking their boundaries, and we are also going to enhance your skill by teaching you, by sharing our knowledge with you with some new technologies. Okay, so in earlier session you people discuss about the academic boundaries, academic environment during COVID-19. I am talking about, my topic is basically the open source softwares. Open source software, I am open source educator, and earlier I have worked with the IIT Bombay. uh, Not audible. Technical team, please look into the matter. Few participants are saying that I am not audible. Yeah, technical team, please. So I'm from the technology world, and especially I advocate the open source technologies. Open source technologies means, okay, I'm asking a question. What if Google Meet not provide this platform free of cost to us? Then the major problem was arise. that we are not able to conduct such kind of conferences. Look at the other platforms, Blue Jeans. I'm, if I am talking about the paid, or you can say proprietary softwares like Blue Jeans and more others, then they people are providing only the paid license options. And open source world never ever go for any kind of profit making purpose. The sole purpose of open source world is to design softwares, systems, and working environment for the humanity. And the major funding source, we prefer either support from the major companies or support from the we people by using the donation. Okay, let us see few online platforms. I'm sharing my screen. I hope my screen is shared now. So in earlier session, you talk about some synchronous study, asynchronous study. The major problem in synchronous study was at the same time the student and teacher must be there. Only then after you can do the study. Okay. And for the synchronous study, various platforms are like Microsoft Team. Microsoft Team. Microsoft is a proprietary company, big proprietary company. Only and only people can use their software by purchasing the licenses. Okay. In the same manner, in this COVID-19 pandemic, we people use the Microsoft Team with limitations. Although the results of Microsoft Team are excellent because you can connect with your limited team. When we are talking about a limited number of person, in that case Microsoft Team is best. For example, if you are taking a class of 50 students, 100 students, and when you are aware about your audience, in that case you prefer the Microsoft Team. But the features with come with the plan and pricing. Again, you will see the all features come with a plan and features. You have to subscribe for the Office 365. I'm talking about the I'm talking about the online platforms for synchronous study. Okay, so this is Microsoft Team. I compare other platform also. So let's go for the Zoom.us as well as Google Meet and Cisco WebEx, BlueJeans. Okay, let's compare what are the difference between these online platforms and what we should prefer. I will not take the session longer on. We just because today we start this session in the late. Already we are delayed. Okay, so this is Microsoft. This gives the features, lot of features, but it is also giving you free with no commitment. Free with free with no commitment, as well as rest of the features. This user per month, this user per month, user per month. Okay, next come to the but features of Microsoft Team are excellent because they are providing you the good connectivity. So when you people are working with your limited audience, in that case, you can work with the Microsoft team, and even 10,000 participants can involve with your a single team. Okay, 10,000 in Zoom. Zoom.us. This time Zoom is on the boom. Zoom is on the boom. Reason, Zoom give you the easy interface, as well as it is giving you the facility that you just send the invitation link to anyone, he or she can join your meeting. What's the email address they may have, what is the mobile number they may have just the link, and they can connect with your app. Okay, but in Microsoft team only can connect with the same domain users. For example, if you are from a university, and in university your your domain name is something like at university.com, at cblu.ac.in, at igu.ac.in, at ipu.ac.in. Okay, so these are called the university domains. So if you have the working or personal account with the same domain, in that case you can invite the same domain users. Okay, in video conferencing of zoom.us, you no need not to have the same thing. Even zoom.us/education, education, they specially launch this education for school, colleges, and in this case they have removed their 40-minute limitation. If you host a meeting, if you host a meeting, in that case your meeting is limited to 40 minutes. But if you connect with the Zoom with your ID, for example, abc at university.ac.in, okay, when you connect and host your meeting from Google Chrome web interface, the conditions are you must have the academic domain, email address, as well as host from the Google Chrome web interface. Then your 40-minute limit will be lifted up. So at that moment, you have no limit of your conferences. We have already used this feature, and nowadays we are able to host 2 hours, 3 hours Zoom meetings also. So this is very good feature for you people also that you can use. Next, come to the Google Meet. Google Meet, excellent, excellent for the academicians. But the only condition is only you can connect 250 users with your Google Meet with your academic domain name. Academic domain name is at university.ac.in. Okay, at school.ac.in, जो भी आपका स्कूल है, ठीक है, whichever your school name. But and 250 participant can connect. Otherwise, 100 participant connect. The good thing about Google Meet is the audience must be mature. As I can see, you people are following the rules very at a high level. Okay, so I expect you the same thing for the rest of the workshop, because for learning it's quite necessary to watch the things, then perform the things, and then after you may have any question and answer rounds. In the same manner, in this workshop, we are doing the same methods. First, we will train you, then after you, we will give you the assignment, we will give you some work, and you will perform, and then definitely results will come out. Okay, so in Google Meet, 250 candidates can connect, but the maturity level of users must be very high. And the good thing about Google Meet is also the send the link to your students and your participants. Okay, next is Cisco WebEx. This is very much popular among the educators as well as companies. the same thing WebEx for education is providing, but with the plan and pricing. As you know, Cisco is again a company, a proprietary company, which is not in condition who can give you the free things. Okay, so with the plan and pricing, you can use this WebEx platform also. With some limited conditions, you can use your WebEx for school, teachers, students, and rest of the things. Next, when we are talking about the open source and Google Meet is, in my comparison, is above all and best online classroom material app. If I'm talking about the security, BlueJeans is where at number one in case of we are talking about the security, because they are giving one-to-one talk as well as encrypted talk, encrypting meeting, and there is no loophole in BlueJeans. So maximum of IT companies, they are using the BlueJeans, but nothing is free in this BlueJeans. Being an academician, I don't think we have we have anything to secure ourselves. Means I want to share my content with the world. You people also want to share your knowledge with the whole world. You are like Harvard University. At this moment, look at the Harvard University and other Western universities, even IITs of all over India, NPTEL project, IIT Bombay spoken tutorial project. They people are sharing their knowledge without any interest, as well as they are promoting use this. When you go to the spoken tutorial website of IIT Bombay, you will see lot of technology tutorials are there, student dashboard, etc. And I'll show you how many of courses are there. Look at the courses. All these courses are available to you, and now scenario has been changed. Only and only if you go for a certification, then you have to pay a nominal amount for certificate. Rest of the things means content development cost, posting cost, website cost, nothing will be charged from the users. Everything is free of cost. So this is the spirit of open source world, as well as academicians, educators who want to share with the world. What if we don't want to share our knowledge with anybody else? The all society work on the sharing. So I always advocate about the open source, and might be there may be some drawbacks, but everything is a positive and negative response. So not at all. So now I'm going to wind up my session, and we will do the technical works from tomorrow. So for that purpose, I request you, all people, to register themselves at the fostechlab.com. This is a Moodle based and again open source learning management system. This is Moodle based LMS. Up to now, you people attend a lot of workshop on Moodle, but you never use the Moodle because the major hassle was the technical issue. You are not able to host your Moodle site, as well as you may found some error bugs. So for to ease our academicians, we host this website, fosttechlab.com, open source Moodle based. So you can log in with the your Google account, your Facebook account, your Microsoft account. First of all, in the first step, you have to click on the Google. Then after it demands for the it demand sorry this is already login user. Then after it demands for the credentials of your Google, I type the website name. I type the website name here. This is HTTPS. Thanks, Indomittu ma'am. https://fosstechlab.com. How our workshop will move further, I tell you. First step, you have to register at this site fosstechlab.com. Then after, we will share with you some instructions of course. Okay, we will share instructions about the course. At this moment you have to, in the first step, you have to just register at this website. Then in next steps, our coordinators, Madam Poonam, and other team member will describe you how you will move on with your account. Your attendance, daily attendance, your daily feedback, your assignment, your chat sessions, as well as your lot of other things will happen at this portal. So please share this link with the participants, with all participants, and further instructions will be conveyed to you very soon. In after completing your first step, the steps are very simple. You have to click on Google, register with Google. A, an email will shoot to your register email ID. Check there. In inbox as well as in spam, you will find a mail from Learning Hub and asking to you to confirm your email address. Okay. After confirming your email address, you will be able to log in. Okay. Up to here, just up to here, you have to complete this task, and then after we will convey you rest of instructions. It will be really enjoyable. I am uh, my experience with the participants always very friendly and as well as very interactive. In earlier workshops also, I am involved in many WhatsApp groups and other by other chat sessions and lot others. People involved in the 7 days. We will involve with each other. We can know the habits of each other, and very interactive sessions will be there. So please uh, connect with the fosttechlab.com, and tomorrow sessions and all other details will convey to you. So I just hand over the session to Ma'am Poonam.
Here, by the time the Poonam join us, I think the first primary step which we are all supposed to do has been told to us by Madam Poonam and by Surinder ji. The instructions will be shared to you over that. And for tomorrow, see, when we are using the technology, there are certain limitations. And the limitations is that you, one, has to be morally self-responsible. Like whatever you are doing, once you are online, that requires more concentration on your part. Secondly, a dedicated mind towards learning is a primary requirement for all of you. So I hope that even if you are keeping yourself muted, as well as keeping your videos offline, you are still listening to what is being said by the speaker, by the presenter, and only then you would be able to learn, because it's not a real-time classroom where we all are sitting and we are able to see whatever you are saying, whatever you are doing, and how you are receiving. So in case if you are feeling any kind of a problem, you will have to intimate us, yes, this is the problem where I am stuck, or this is what I am facing, here there is a problem, so that we may help you to resolve that problem. So you put yourself in, put your queries in the chat box, or message us, Or otherwise, we will also be taking one query session where we can handle your queries as well. Madam Poonam has joined. Ma'am, please issue certain
Good
instructions
afternoon,
for
ma'am.
this morning.
Yeah. Thank you so much, ma'am, for giving and reminding us all the rules and instructions for the session. And we are really having a wonderful audience and participants. I would say they are actually very much sincere and following the rules as well in a very sincere way. Thank you so much. And now I would like to tell that the session and the schedule details will be given to you in the platform that we are talking about, that is Learning Hub Fostech Lab. And just let me show you. So we will be completing and pursuing our completing our course on this platform. We have created a category here, faculty development program. When you will log in here and you will get the user uh, authentic user here, you will be able to see the course here, content creation and website development. Like I am not logged in here, so I need to first log in to get the access of the course, right? So this is the course we are going to all enroll ourselves. Like I am the admin of this website. This is, I would like to tell you first about the portal. This is a portal we have created for teachers during COVID-19 to help them to host their classes, to organize their content and resources in a more planned and structured way, and try to give them also tools so that they can conduct their classes and classroom in more effective way with the tools we are providing here. And this platform is designed and based on Moodle. With the help of Moodle, we have created this platform. This is customized version of Moodle. So in this way, you would be able to apply these technologies that we are talking about, open source technologies. And Moodle is on top of that. So when you will log in, you will and go on that course. First, you need to enroll for that. You will get option of enroll me under the course. After you will enroll yourself, you will be able to access the course. So here we will keep updating the contents and informations about your course. We'll also give you schedule here, so that you need to follow. And I would also like to tell you that that will be every day 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. First session would be 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. And then we'll have a break of half an hour, that will be 2 p.m. to 2:30. And after that we will resume again our second session, that will be from 2:30 to 3:30. And after 3:30 we will have a discussion and question answer session. So we will also create here some discussion forums, so that we all having so many queries and questions, we can give your answers on one platform that will work as a FAQ for all the users. We are going to have that kind of chat and discussion forums here. And we will change the name of these topics as per day 1, day 2, day 3. Like today is the day 1 of the session and the course, so you will get all the information about your course on these in these areas. This will be edited as day 1, day 2 and day 3. I think that is much clear now to everyone. Okay, thank you so much everyone. Can we have our cameras on? Shefali ma'am is there? Shefali ma'am, can we?
Yes, I'm there.
Yeah, okay. Shefali ma'am, I would like to have a screenshot of all the participants all together. For that, I would request all of you to please uh, tick the screen. Turn on your cameras, please.
Everyone, please turn on your cameras and unmute. Be muted, but please turn on your cameras.
Keep muted, but turn on your cameras.
Many of them are not there, I think.
Yeah, but there are so many still. It feels good. We feel connected. We have so many.
Mark them absent if they are not there.
We have 100 participants in this.
शेफाली मैम नमस्कार।
It's a big number.
जी नमस्कार।
मैम आज तो दुखी हो गए आप सुबह।
सुबह तो हुए थे जी।
और कैसे हो?
बस हम ठीक है।
अच्छा बहुत अच्छा मैम बहुत। देखो मेरी मम्मी की फोटो मम्मी को दिखाता हूँ। मेरी मदर खाना खा रही है साथ में।
हेलो नमस्कार नमस्कार जी।
हाँ नमस्कार मैम।
Great sir, I'm glad that you have joined. And we can see.
1:50 से ज्वाइन किया हुआ मैंने।
जी आज थोड़ा सा टेक्निकली हमें प्रॉब्लम हो गया था इसलिए थोड़ा लेट हो गया बट आई थिंक वी हैव compensated well for whatever loss happened in the morning and
नमस्कार शेफाली मैम।
शेफाली मैम
आई एम संगीता गुंदेचा फ्रॉम भोपाल सेंट्रल संस्कृत यूनिवर्सिटी।
great ma'am welcome
थैंक यू।
Good afternoon, ma'am. This is Hemalata.
good afternoon Hemlata ji.
Hemalata from Andhra Pradesh, Nannaya University.
कहाँ से है मैम हेमलता जी
Yeah, ma'am.
कहाँ से है
Namaste, ma'am.
नमस्कार
How are
जी
you?
हम ठीक है आप हैं
Ma'am, can you speak in English, please?
स्वागत है
Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, ma'am.
good afternoon जी good afternoon मैम जी हेलो जी one by one I think one by one we can listen to all जी
शेफाली मैम
जी सर
दिस इज डॉक्टर आरएस पुरा।
जी सर
दिस इज डॉक्टर आरएस पुरा फ्रॉम नानक खालसा कॉलेज यमुनानगर।
जी वेलकम सर वेलकम
Ma'am, I would like to tell you this. It was so beautiful. It was nice to know many new things.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Shefali ma'am.
A very good afternoon.
It is a marvelous initiative you have taken. It is a marvelous initiative.
But the cooperation of each and every
But
one
you
of
have
you is required and thank you for joining us.
You have taken the endeavor and other has to follow you only.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Thank you.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
हेलो मैम।
Hello.
हेलो आई एम मीनाक्षी चौधरी फ्रॉम जम्मू यूनिवर्सिटी।
Great ma'am. Hello.
Hello, good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Ji.
Good afternoon. Hello, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
As we all are having these classes in the space of our houses, family, we have kids out there, we have parents out there, those are watching us. We might also wandering around and talking to me, mama.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, Shefali ma'am.
हेलो बताइए सर। हेलो, नमस्कार जी, नमस्कार, स्वागत है आप लोगों का।
Good afternoon,
जी, वेरी गुड आफ्टरनून।
Hello.
जी,
Hello. Good afternoon, ma'am.
hello, ma'am.
on the line?
Hello.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. Hello.
Okay,
Hello,
I
ma'am.
think बताइए।
Hello.
Hello, ma'am.
I could
Can you listen me?
Yeah, I can listen.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Myself, Sushma Vaidya from Aurangabad.
Good afternoon, ma'am, and welcome
Thank
on the
Good
session.
afternoon, ma'am.
you, ma'am.
Okay,
Hello, ma'am.
so Shefali ma'am, I think we should wind up with this beautiful note and with this beautiful picture. We all are having a very beautiful screen here. We all are connected. This is a beautiful.
We are having a enthusiastic to learn despite of all the responsibilities and the workload, especially for the women which have increased. They are there with all the patience, and I know everybody to tell me that as we were joined and we are already delayed in sending. But even then, I was on the another platform for another such workshop. Time I was concentrated in the meantime. Thank you so very much. Inconveniences can be at the time schedule. I think writing work full continuously. If you will not do whatever they are saying, actually they have to follow. So please mind that and look yourself so that you are able we need to learn what we are doing for other process. In case if you have education, please share with us.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you, Shefali ma'am. Thank you, director.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, very much.
Thank you, ma'am.